guys? It's your boy Mark. I am fired up that you are here today. We're talking about the power of relationship banking and how this can be a 10K approval versus a 100K approval. Let's jump right into it. All right, so the first things here is that it gives you higher approval odds. Higher approval odds. Let's think about this, right? So a lot of people, if you're looking to get a Wells Fargo, for example, Wells Fargo a business credit card, a lot of people get an automatic denial. Why is this? Why do you get an automatic denial if you don't have a prior relationship with them? It's like a Joe Schmo just asking a girl out on the first night, right? And they don't know you, they don't have any data points on you, they don't even know your name. You're just like, hey, here's my application, can we go to bed? They're like, no, all right? So if you want to get higher approval odds, a simple thing you can do is open up a checking account, right? Higher approval odds. Financial institution has data points on you, which reduces their risk. The financial institution has data points on you, which reduces their risk, right? It's all about risk mitigation for them. That's really all they care about. Hey, listen, is this boy or girl going to pay me back this 10, 20, 30K in which we are going to give to them, right? That's number one. Number two is it gives you higher limits, right? So because you have a deposit relationship with them prior, they feel more comfortable with offering you higher limits, especially if you bank with them, right? So say you already have a checking account or a business checking account, for example. You have 5, 10K inside of it. Or maybe you're just starting out, you have 1,000 inside of it. Or even if it's $500, right? As long as they have some sort of banking data inside of there. Now, to really get high limits, if you're already having a lot of in and out transaction, this really serves you the best, okay? Now, this sometimes it can take 30 days or so in order to make that happen. However, just getting into the door with those financial institutions and having those transactions inside of there, huge for higher limits, huge for higher limits, okay? Number three, if you're able to go to a bank and have this done in branch, I'm talking, your chances are like 99.99%. Not only are you going to get approved, you're going to get higher limits, but now we're talking things of like a HELOC, lines of credit. You might find out other things that they don't know about, right? So like, for example, you know, everyone is huge on Navy Fed, right? Navy Fed has a lot of programs that they don't advertise. Like there's a lot of programs that, and every bank has these. If you create a relationship with the banker, with the local banker, they can always write notes inside of your application that would help the underwriter in being much more considerate. For example, if you're in a cusp of either a 10K or 50K approval and you have an in-bank relationship because they are local on ground, here's what happens. Your banker could be like, man, hey, listen, Mr. John comes here regularly. We trust him. He has a local business. He makes frequent deposits. Maybe he even buys his lunch from time to time. Like whatever note they want to put in there, which the underwriter then sees like, okay, cool. Like the local branch feels comfortable with this person. We'll go ahead and approve him or her for, you know, a 50K limit, a 100K limit, a 250K limit, or a line of credit, or more like. Those type of things become a lot less risky for them because now not only does your credit profile meet their requirements, not only do your banking relationship and deposit relationships meet their requirement, now they have an in-branch person vouching for you. This is how you get huge high limits, and more importantly, that relationship can foster to so many different products, okay? So this is a huge hack. Now, a lot of my students that we're coaching inside of our coaching mentorship group are seeing this be a big difference for them just because we've built a relationship with the Chase banker that's local to us here. And I employ everyone to go do the same exact thing. It's the same way all across the board, and watch you get high, big limits for your business if you're just a startup, okay? 50 to 70K, depending on your credit profile. And if you have a seasoned business, 70K to 150K and above, okay? Hope you guys found value out of this video. Matter of fact, I know you found value out of this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know who you're banking with, if you have those banking relationships. Let's build, let's vibe, let's grow together as a community. I'll catch you guys in the next video.